My boss, listen to me, son. We don't have to do this, man. Alright, me take you, man. Me take where you are for me.
Image is everything.
Me very much interested in how we can make some of that money the way I talk about. Because guess what?
You see this e-book thing, what you are called scam or whatever, I hit make me live like this now.
Me no want it be a case where him a scam people them for their money, you know, and I tell them be a lie, you know. And then one day, one of them start you know, and then they do something, you know.
I see this youth on YouTube, see? I do some little video tutorial where I show people how to get rich quick.
Me not understand. When the people buy an e-book, the money goes straight to your card, yes?
I'm gonna pay you everything next month and I'm gonna give you extra. Bro, listen man. Every Friday night you don't have QQ. A DJ. And you know I make no money.
Well, for that specific style, I like about 25 grand. But
What? 25,000?
Jeremy, and that's not enough. More me here than now. Almost 1 month now me work on like this.
I'm not too trust one of them something in my youth. Call up on you see them work money on them. So what would you on cash plus?
So 50,000.
Best option I see you can do right now, you know, is to try figure it out. We don't already cash or something, go try get a loan and pay back the man in money.
I wonder if you could take out a loan for me.
Tell Jeremy and say, if him not have me rent when him owe for over 6 months, he go leave me with only one more option.
Right now, my investment, I'm investing in it, whether I scam dog. So right now, I lose my money.
Scam! Yo, me invest all of my last in them my youth. All of my people them money, every money me put better. Where I take me see a scam?